Unit 7, My Toys. Lesson 1, Vocabulary. Lesson 2, Grammar. Toys, toys. Ball, ball. Blocks, blocks. Car, car. Doll, doll. Teddy bear, teddy bear. I like, I like. Let's practice. I like my ball. I like my ball. I like my blocks. I like my blocks. I like my car. I like my car. I like my doll. I like my doll. I like my teddy bear. I like my teddy bear.